Use cinnamon leaf to boost your mood. Use cinnamon bark to boost focus. Use cinnamon leaf to soothe sore muscles. Use cinnamon bark to boost your immune system. Use cinnamon leaf to repel insects. Use cinnamon bark in natural cleaning products. As you might have guessed, cinnamon leaf and bark come from the same plant but different plant parts. They share many of the same benefits and can often be used interchangeably. So what's the difference? Cinnamon bark contains more cinnamaldehyde, the natural component that gives cinnamon its classic spicy aroma. This gives cinnamon bark more potent therapeutic properties, but it also makes it more skin irritating of the two. For that reason, it's best to diffuse cinnamon bark or to dilute it 1 drop in 3 ounces of a carrier oil. When it comes to choosing between cinnamon bark and cinnamon leaf, it's good to understand these differences so that you can choose the right oil for your aromatherapy needs. Learn more about the differences between essential oils only at edensgarden.com.